If you're chatting with somebody on WhatsApp and they send a message that is not in your native language, you can always translate directly in the WhatsApp app to your language from Spanish over to English or any other option. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, the first thing you're going to do is open up the App Store or Google Play Store, and we need to update WhatsApp because this is a fairly new feature. So just type in WhatsApp. And if it says update right next to it, just tap on update to get this feature. After you've done that, let's open up the app and then tap on the conversation. Now here you can see a little message that is in Spanish and I want to translate this to English. To do that, press and hold on the message and then at the bottom tap on more and then tap on translate. From here, you can see I can choose to translate it from, and in this case, I want to translate this from Spanish over to English. And you'll be able to see it translates the original message to the translated message that says, don't forget to subscribe. Keep in mind, if you go through this process, unfortunately, there's no easy way to translate all of the messages within an entire conversation. You do need to go one by one. However, you can also just hop out of here and then swipe down and just type in translate to either get to Google Translate or your iPhone Translate app if you wanted to use that as well. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.